Make every day Taco Tuesday with the 56-ounce Margarita Slush Maker. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Let's take a closer look at the Taco Tuesday 56-ounce Margarita Slush Maker. Out of the box, you've got the unit itself. It weighs in at 3.5 pounds and is made out of plastic with stainless steel blades. Simply fill the chamber with regular-sized ice cubes. Add your favorite liquor, drink mix, or fruit to the pitcher. Choose either shave, blend, or shave blend. Set the pitcher in place and watch as your ice blend drops into the 56-ounce capacity pitcher. Any leftover ice melts into the reservoir tanks in the rear to prevent your drinks from being too watered down. You can make margaritas, daiquiris, even non-alcoholic frappés and slushies. Basically any drink that calls for crushed or shaved ice. The pitcher is easily washed after use, and the power cord can be tucked away into this rear panel when not in use to save on countertop clutter. So what do we like about the Taco Tuesday 56-ounce Margarita Slush Maker? It's lightweight, easy to use, with no instruction manual, and does everything it says it will. We don't encourage alcohol consumption on this channel, but I'm suddenly a much bigger fan of tequila now. So what don't we like? This machine does have a very cheap plasticky feel and doesn't feel like it would survive a fall from a countertop. So what do you need to know before you go online and buy one? There's really only two things you need to know about the Taco Tuesday 56-ounce Margarita Slush Maker. 1. Don't pour any flavorings or alcohol into the ice section up top. It'll only make cleaning way more difficult later on. Do all your mixing in the supplied pitcher, either before or after you start the machine. And 2, the unit is not dishwasher safe. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Taco Tuesday 56-ounce Margarita Slush Maker? We're giving it a 6 out of 10. So how do you get your hands on one? Well, you've got two options really. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right, and pick one up for $111.99, or you can enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.